Hi guys, welcome here. Do you want to earn money with the products which you already bought from Amazon or from Walmart or from any store, and the product is available on Amazon, like laptop, phone, home use products, then any type of massager, smartwatch, like different lots of products because we have at our home, right? And if you want to make money with those products, just you have to make one video like up to 50 second to maximum 250 second, sorry, 50 second to maximum 230 second, and we will pay you $5 for per video. Like per product we need 3 videos, and for one product we will pay you $5, and you instantly we will pay you, like as you will supply the video, a review video, demo video of that product, how you experience, how you feel about the product, how you use that product, and that video you have to send us, and we will pay you by your PayPal, by bank transfer, or by Remitly, or by email transfer. And if you want to earn money like this sitting at your home just with the product demo, reviewing products or product demos, then you can comment in the comment section like deal, yes you are interested, and our number is +919815090410. Second number is +918238, that number I forgot, but I am mentioning on the phone, on the screen. And that's third number is +1 780 600 4500. 780 +1 780 600 4500. Let's say this way you can earn up to near about more than $50 hourly. Like how? Like if you review and able to make like cover one product within next like 5 to 6 minutes, because we need 50 second to maximum 230 second video, and for one product we need 3 videos, and for one product we will pay you $5, and in 1 hour if you are able to make like cover 6 products, right? And sorry, yeah, 6 or 10 products, then you 5 minute, yes, if you are able to make like 7 8 if you are able to cover 7 8 products within 1 hour, then you can earn up to $45 in an hour, right? And we all have lots of products in our home, right, which we already bought from Amazon, Walmart, Costco, and Home Depot, and Target, different lots of stores we already buy product, but that product must be available on Amazon, and we will pay you for each product video, see. And yeah, you can comment in the discussion, and comment deal, and our number I already showing you. You can WhatsApp us +918981509890410 +1 780 600 4500, and earn money at home.